welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sew Hayley Jane luxury box and I'm very excited. I do want to just say as well, if you haven't watched the Daily Waffle, I've just come back from the dentist and I've had 2 fillings in my lower jaw, in my lower teeth, and so I am a little bit, I'm still very, no, I'm not more than a little bit, I'm very numb on this side, so if I look a bit funny, that's why. But I've got loads of stuff that I need to get done today, so I need to film this whilst the numbness is there. So yeah, if I'm slurring my words as well a bit, which I think I am, I'm sorry, but yeah, that's it. So the lovely Hayley, I met her at the Sew Southampton meetup. And I hit 10,000 subscribers whilst I was away on holiday, so again, thank you so much. And she messaged me and she just said, I've been meaning to say, would you like me to send you one of the boxes for you to have a look at? And I've always been intrigued by this service, and I always watch her unboxings and think, oh my gosh, I love that fabric, I love that fabric, I love that fabric. And there's so many lovely little bits and pieces that go into making these boxes up. So yeah, Hayley messaged me and said, would I like to have a look at one of her boxes? And yes please. So she's incredibly kindly sent me the luxury box for me to open, and I have it here. And she's thought of everything because it comes with its very own inbuilt cat toy. This was what it was wrapped in, and Shiana is already shredding it and absolutely in love. So, you know, genius move on that behalf. And it comes with a lovely postcard, a Sew Hayley Jane postcard, and again, sorry about the mumbling. It says, hi Shan, let's see the summer out with this box of beautiful blooms. Love, Hayley, which I really like. And I like that the boxes are themed. I think that's really interesting. Now I have cheated a bit. I couldn't wait. I saw her video went up when I was away on holiday. I have watched it, so I do know what is in here, but I'm really excited to actually open it. And this, I got home 2 days, well, I got home 2 days ago, and I've had a sneaky peek, but I haven't actually properly opened this thing other than to give Shiana her cat toy. So exciting. So it comes beautifully packaged, which I love. That's really pretty. I like the bright yellow. And oh, exciting. Look how gorgeous. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay, so there's a little business card in there, and then it says, for fabric care and washing guidelines, please visit the Sew Hayley Jane website, which is awesome. Actually, that's a really clever idea, because you know, you want to know if you can actually wash and how to wash the fabrics that you've been sent. Then this is, like I said, the luxury box. So I have the 5 coordinating fat quarters, which I already know what I'm going to make with these. I think these are going to make the most awesome necessary clutch wallet. I think they're going to look really cool, and it's going to be fun to play with all of these. It's going to be a very bright necessary clutch wallet, but I do think it's going to be very awesome. And there are lots of different things that you can do with fat quarters. Pencil cases, makeup bags, there are quilting options. If you want to give your hair a try some quilting, you can do that. So yeah, I really like that, and I like the coordinating colours. They are beautiful. There's a card from the clothingcarecompany.com, which is the little dress, Harriet from the Little Dressmaker. And it's the key points of clothing care as you're making, storage, washing and mending. I like that. And Harriet's actually written a book, and there is a discount code with this postcard as well if you want to buy the book, so that's awesome. Now I'm really excited about this. I can't have them because like I said, I've just come back from the dentist and I can't have anything for the next couple of hours, but there are chocolate limes in here, which are some of my absolute favourites. And I like the idea that there's always a little sweet treat in here. I think that's really lovely. So next up, there is a little something from Rudels Runique, and I've mentioned them before. She was one of our very lovely sponsors for Sew Southampton, and she has sent some, get in there. Oh, making a mess already. So there's Rudels Runique details there. That's a really cool little business card, I like that. And then we have a Sewist postcard, and the Sewing is My Superpower sticker. Now I have this one already, so this is going to go into my goodie bag for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So yeah, I really like that though. Lots of people are putting it on the end of their sewing machine, which I really like, but mine is in my bullet journal. So there's those little goodies from Rudels Runique. And then the pattern this month, the luxury box comes with a pattern, is the Tilly and the Buttons Martha dress. Now, I've seen this on lots and lots of people and I was like, that's really nice, but I don't think it's me. But now that I have it, I'm going to try it, because Victory Patterns Jackie dress, that was a very high necked one, and obviously that one, this is for a woven and that was for a stretch fabric, but I liked that neckline. And whilst I'm not a big fan of the sleeves belling out like that, I can always put an elastic in there to bring them in and make them bishop sleeves rather than bell sleeves. I like that idea, and yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. I am gonna give this a try because I have it now. That's exciting. I think that's another nice thing about these boxes, is that you may end up getting things that you wouldn't necessarily have bought for yourself, but because you have them, you're more likely to give them a go. So yeah, I like that as well. And then we have the 22-inch invisible zip, which is what the pattern calls for. And we have the Gutterman 100-meter reel of Gutterman thread that matches the fabric. And this is really exciting. I have been wanting one of Lisa Comfort's prints since she released them, and this one is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. Ah, so lovely. So lovely. Oh yes. So, does it say, it just says Lisa Comfort on the selvage. It doesn't have the name of the print. Plentiful Roses or something like that, but it's the mint colourway, which is one of my absolute favourite colours, with the pink roses. And I really like that. I really like that. Now, how much have we got? About 3.5 meters here. So yeah, I think that's beautiful. I really like that. I don't think I'm going to combine this with the Martha dress. For me, I think the Martha probably is a little bit more of a autumny wintry dress. So I think this is quite a, as Hayley says, let's see out the summer with these beautiful blooms. I do think this is quite a summery print, but I'm not sure what I'm going to make with this yet. I could see myself making the Sew Over It rosy dress, which I do have a pattern for. And yeah, I really like that. The feel of this fabric's gorgeous. It's really lovely lightweight cotton lawn. It is a bit sheer, a little bit sheer, so it might need a lining underneath of it, but absolutely beautiful. I love this. I think the luxury box is £65, and I think that is an absolute bargain when you think how much this fabric costs per metre, the pattern, the fat quarters, the zip, the thread, the sweets, the other little treats that are in there. I think this is a really good value for money. I really do. And one of the nice things is that it's, if you sign up for a subscription, it's not one of those ones where you have to sign up for a minimum of 3 or 4 or 5 months. You can sign up and cancel anytime you want. The only thing that has given me pause beforehand was that you don't know what the box theme is going to be before you sign up. But as I said, I like the idea of it. I mean, I do this with the KB pattern swap. When people are sending you things that are slightly outside of your comfort zone, especially this, it's something that I probably wouldn't have purchased myself, but now, like I say, now I have it, I'm going to give it a try. So yeah, it's really exciting. So there are 3 levels of boxes. There is the mini box, which is £20. There's the classic box, which is £35, and then there's a luxury box, which is £65. She is shipping to lots of countries outside of the UK, and there is more being added all of the time. So check out the frequently asked questions section, and that shows you where she ships to, and you can have a look and see if your country is included. If not, I'm sure you can message Hayley and she'll be able to inform you if shipping is going to be happening to your country soon. So Hayley Jane is actually 2 years old, and to celebrate, Hayley is offering £5 off the boxes, and you just need to use the code HAPPYBIRTHDAY. So all the details and links will be in the description bar down below, so make sure you go and check it out. So yes, I'm really pleased with this. I think it's a beautiful box. I'm really excited to try this fabric. I'm very excited to give that pattern a try as well, and I'm also, once my teeth have sorted themselves out, I'm very excited to eat my chocolate limes. So I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!